Alright, in this video we are going to see how to create the paragraph stagger effect. What do I mean by paragraph stagger effect? Now we have 4 paragraphs. When I refresh the page, you see the paragraph is getting shown up one after the other. The paragraph is getting shown up one after the other on the interval of 1 second each. Now this effect can be used once when we get into this section, and if I hover on this section you can show the paragraph one after the other. So let me show you how I have created it. Now this is a paragraph, and I have given the class anime to each paragraph. You can see these are the paragraphs which I have given the class, and I have given the opacity of 0. Let me refresh that. I have changed the code for a bit. If I refresh the code, I have given the opacity 0 for each paragraph, and these are the extra code which is not at all required. And with the help of JavaScript, I am adding this class again, anime opaque, with opacity 1, which has the class of which has the style of opacity 1. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will see the script tag. Again, since we have multiple anime class, I have used this query selector all, and I have stored it into a variable called all anime para. So here, since we have used query selector all, we can access them with the help of for each. So what for each will do is we can access them individually, one after the other. So the first time the first anime will be called, the second time the second anime will be called, and third time third anime will be called. Likewise, previously we have in the previous video we have added a click listener, click event listener, and now here adding a set timeout function. The set timeout function, what it will do is it will call a certain action after a certain amount of time. Here in this case we are adding the class anime opaque to each element. So with the help since we have passed the parameter for the for each loop, we can access individual paragraph with the help of this el, and this is the index number. Since if it is paragraph 1, 1 will be fast. If it is paragraph 2, 2 will be fast. If it is paragraph 3, 3 will be fast. The reason for explaining the I is we are using this I over here. So once the first paragraph is called, this is the first paragraph, consider the el as a first paragraph, and the class is also added, but after certain amount of time, which is 1 second. Now consider the second element is called, the second element is this one, and the class will be added after certain amount of time, which is again 1 second. 1 second into 2 into 2. Why I'm saying into 2 multiplied by 2 is because of the I. Since the index of the paragraph, second paragraph is 2, 2 will be displayed here. 1000 into 2 is just 2 seconds. If you don't understand, I would request you to repeat this video once again and listen carefully what I say. Likewise, if the fourth paragraph is called 4 into 1000, which is 4 seconds, so after 4 seconds this fourth paragraph will be visible. So refresh this, first, second, third and fourth. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening. Get the source code in the description.